Hey Zedd, we're here to see your gym and fridge.
What's up, guys? I hear that you guys are here to see my gym and fridge. Come on in. Let me take you up to the gym. Take a peek, follow me.
Whoa, nice house.
Welcome.
How often are you working out in here?
4 times a week. Monday is chest and biceps. Tuesday is leg day. Wednesday is off. Thursday is triceps and back. Friday is shoulders and everything day. So we go through the cycle one more time and repeat each muscle group.
What's your favorite exercise to do?
Tricep push down is something that I've always liked, as long as you keep the shape right.
Nice form. What do you think is the worst part of working out?
I absolutely hate leg day every single time. My legs are terrible. I also have overextended knees ever since I was a kid, and it's really making everything a lot more difficult. Cardio is tough, and leg day is always a brutal workout.
Where do you find the motivation?
Having goals is what keeps me motivated. I used to just work out to work out, and now I'm trying to reach a certain weight, or I want to be lean, and I set myself goals, 2-month periods or 3-month periods. That really keeps me going.
How do you keep your mind in shape?
I keep my mind fit by sleeping a ton and keeping goals. Even when I reach my goal, if that happens, I will set myself new goals. I always need something to latch onto and to look forward to, and that's how I can stay fit in my mind.
What's your go-to exercise soundtrack?
When I work out, I only listen to Scooter. It's the only thing I've listened to for 4.5 years of working out every single time.
How does your fitness routine affect your live performance?
Being on stage, jumping for 2 hours can be really enduring. And when you're in good shape, when you do a lot of cardio, it doesn't feel quite as hard. I don't know if you remember your first time doing cardio, for me at least, after 20 minutes I was dead. I could not do it, and then my trainer wanted me to do an hour a day, and I just couldn't imagine doing that. But you do that for like 2, 3, 4 weeks, and you realize it's actually not that bad. Same goes for your stage. You know, if you have a more endurance, it's just much easier to get off stage and not feel completely dead. Follow me, one more step. I wanted to show you where we get our produce from. Citrus is something I always have in my fridge. We actually have our own citrus trees here. Lime, yuzu, lemons. Got our little vegetable garden where we have a bunch of beets, kale, all sweet potatoes over here. Tomatoes, let me see if I can. These guys are getting there. It's nice to know that what you eat is what you grew yourself.
Let's go check out that fridge.
This is my fridge. Let's take a peek.
Whoa, don't break it, man. So Zedd, what do you always keep in your fridge?
Protein bars, the perfect bars. They are my favorite protein bar. Then fruit. Always need fruit, always need a lot of citrus. Water, sparkling water with a little bit of extra flavor. Water with benefits, which is something new I discovered, which I absolutely love. It is basically water and mostly honey, a little bit of a soda selection and a beer selection for mostly my guests, because I don't really drink beer. So when I have guests over, I like them to be able to have whatever they like.
What would we never see in this fridge?
Never see blue cheese. Blue cheese is the devil and forbidden in this household.
Okay, no blue cheese. What was your diet like before you got healthy?
My diet before I got healthy was just a bunch of junk food. Tons of Postmates. The issue was that I just never knew what was in it or how it was prepared, if it was healthy or not. So it was just whatever, whenever.
How has that changed?
I don't do breakfast. I start with lunch, a snack midway through the day, which is typically some sort of fruit and vegetable shake. And then I do dinner around 8:30 or 9 p.m. And then a little bit of a yogurt and fruit snack later, because my day usually runs between 11 a.m. and 3 a.m. So I'm kind of a late person.
Is protein a part of your healthy diet?
So we have these pre-made protein shakes by Slate, but after every workout, this is the secret protein powder, which is absolutely not secret at all. Gold standard, double rich chocolate. This is, in my opinion, the most delicious protein shake. I've been using this one for like 3-4 years now, and I still am not sick of it.
How do you get down on a cheat day?
Cheat days usually consist of a fried chicken sandwich. It's just something that I started doing and I really love it.
As a touring artist, how do you keep up with your healthy lifestyle on the road?
It is definitely the most challenging part for me. We eat at difficult times when you don't really have control over how certain foods were made. And I think the reason I am much more healthy right now than normally is just because I'm not on the road and because I can really control when I eat and what I eat.
All right, you ready for rapid fire questions?
Hit me, I'm ready.
Workout time, 7 a.m. or 7 p.m.?
7 p.m.
Squat or deadlift?
Squats.
Favorite song in your playlist?
Every Scooter song ever.
CrossFit, yay or nay?
Nay.
Pull-ups or chin-ups?
Pull-ups.
Dumbbells or kettlebells?
Dumbbells.
Run on treadmill or the great outdoors?
Outdoors.
Cardio or weights?
Weights.
Big legs or big arms?
Oh! Big arms.
Biggest compliment, jacked, ripped, swole, or cut?
Ripped.
If you could work out with anyone, dead or alive, who would it be?
Freddie Mercury, so I can ask him a bunch of questions about music.
And time.
All right, guys, thank you very much for visiting me and letting me show you my gym and my fridge. And now it's time for me to keep going. So thank you for coming, and I will see you guys next time.